Yale Climate Connections, something startling is happening in the Gulf of Mexico. Since 2012, its waters have been heating up twice as fast as the global ocean. Trend has continued into the 2020s, with sea surface temperatures hitting record highs in both 2024 plus 2025. This has huge implications for the hurricanes that form in the Gulf and the people who live along its shores and on the islands that dot its waters. Hurricanes are heat engines that take heat energy out of the ocean and convert it to the kinetic energy of wind. The maximum intensity that a hurricane can reach increases by about 5 to 7% per degree Celsius of sea surface temperature increase. So the rise of about half a degree per decade in Gulf sea surface temperatures per decade since 2012 may be causing a 3% per decade increase in the winds of the strongest hurricanes. Because stronger winds cause more destruction, this equates to about a 30% increase in hurricane damage per decade for these strongest storms. When a hurricane traverses a shallow area of warm ocean waters, its powerful winds churn up cold waters from the depths, cooling the surface and putting the brakes on the storm's intensification. But when unusually warm ocean waters extend 100 meters or more below the surface, the hurricane's winds simply stir up more warm water, in some cases allowing dangerous rapid intensification to occur. A so-called loop current transports warm Caribbean water through the Yucatan Channel between Cuba and Mexico, northward into the Gulf of Mexico, in a loop southeastward just south of the Florida Keys where it is called the Florida Current, and then just west of the westernmost Bahamas. These phenomena fueled Hurricane Helene's furious winds as the storm bore down on Florida in 2024. As of May 11, 2026, sea surface temperatures and ocean heat content in the Gulf are at near record levels, with the sea surface temperatures tied with May 11, 2024, as the warmest on record for the date, over 1 degree Celsius above the 1991 to 2020 average. One more reason this may prove to be an interesting summer for sure. See less.